Good morning, children. This is Shilpa here. In today's session, I will recite a poem, Ceiling to the Stars, from our English textbook, written by R.T. Knapp. He is R.T. Knapp. He is the writer of the poem, children. He has written many interesting stories and poems for children, like View from the Jew and The Lying Lie. This is a modern poem based on a child's imagination. Here, the speaker talks about how he would like to travel to Mars and Saturn on a spaceship and enjoy the thrills of outer space.
Wants to go for a short trip on land of stars and planets through through this wonderful poem. Here you can see that this is a very beautiful picture of space where we can see number of stars which are uncountable. And here the poet, when he was a child, he was very excited and always wants to see the stars. Normally, when children see stars and moons, they imagine that they could go to the space and see these stars and moons and other planets very closely, very close to them, they think. So, let us read the poem first. Up in the sky, where the stars shine bright, that's where I will be, enjoying the thrills of outer space and all there is to see. A quick trip to Mars is the first place I will go, then it's off to see Saturn's rings, and after that, who knows? For now, though, I will stay put. Mom said lunch is at noon, but after that, I'll take off. My ship is in my room. This is a very interesting poem, and it tells that the child really wants to go up in the sky while playing with his toy. Normally, children have this type of toys. You can see just like similar to a rocket. And when they play with a rocket, they imagine that they could go to the space and could see these stars, planets, and other things which shine very beautifully in the sky. The first stanza of the poem: up in the sky where the stars shine bright, that's where I will be, enjoying the thrills of outer space and all there is to see. In the first stanza, the poet tells us that with the help of his tiny ship, yes, ship means this spaceship, which is in the form of a spaceship, a toy. He could go into the space which is very high in the sky, and where he could see all stars which shine, all planets, though that looks very beautiful. In the second stanza, a trip to Mars is the first place I will go, then it's off to see Saturn's rings, and after that, who knows? In the second stanza, the poet says that it will be a quick trip. First of all, he wants to go to the planet Mars, which is little closer to Earth, and afterwards he will go to see the Saturn's rings, which seem to very beautiful. So first of all, the child wants to wear his space suit, and with the help of his rocket or a spaceship, he will go to have a quick trip to Mars. It will be the first place, and then he will go towards Saturn to see its beautiful rings. And after that, who knows? Here, child is saying that afterwards, might be he would go to see other planets, or he could return. So he doesn't know, or nobody knows that what would happen. The third and the last stanza. For now thou I will stay put. Mom said lunch is at noon, but after that I'll take off. My ship is in my room. The third and the last stanza says that the child is thinking to go to see the outer space and to see and visit all the planet, stars, moons, but he is worried about to take his lunch also. So here he says that now at that time it was the time to take his lunch. Here the meaning of stay put means be in the same place and not move. It means he doesn't want to move towards sky or the space. Actually, he wants to stay there to take his lunch because his mother said that lunch is at noon. And after taking his lunch, he will take off. Here, take off means he would go to the stars, to the space, to see the outer space, to see the stars, moons, with the help of his ship. Here, my ship is in my room. The last line of the poem says that the ship is ready. Here, a ship means a vehicle that carries people or things to the moon and the planets. Normally, all of you are aware about it. So, the child says that after completing his lunch, he will surely take off and move towards the outer space. And his ship, that is the rocket, the spaceship, is ready and which is kept in his room. So, I hope all of you understood this wonderful poem and you can have fun. And now you decide for your next vacation. In summer vacation, you move here and there, but now you just think, just like a child, where will you go? Thank you.